All right. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? So, let's give it a second for everyone to hop in here. Let's give it a second for everyone to hop in here. What a move yesterday. What a move. What's going on, guys? How is everyone doing? Wow, you're going to be a dad. Congrats, Bino. Everyone drop a comment. Bino's going to be a dad. That's awesome. Got a congrats Bino chant going here. Anyone else got a baby on the way? That's awesome. Congrats. That's big stuff. That's very exciting. Now you got to really hone down on the trading skills so you can work from home. That's really when it comes in clutch, right? You can just trade from home, trade an hour a day, and then get back to taking care of the baby. Everyone spam that like button. What's going on, everyone? Rusty, Tracy, Simon, Carlos, Velox. I don't know if that's how you say it. Got to make sure trading is top tier. Yeah, 100%. Don't trade emotional. Don't trade emotional. What's going on, Aswin? So, what a move yesterday, right? So let's go over SPY quickly. So I tried to trade SPY a few times. Got stopped out, I think, 2 or 3 times. Emerson, that's so. You just made me crack up. That's really funny. That's really funny. Give me 1 second. All right, yeah. Huh. Weird. So SPY yesterday, what a move, right? We tried to trade it a few times, got stopped out 2 or 3 times, and ended up sniping this bottom here, right? This previous resistance acted as a support pretty perfectly, created a nice flag right into that old resistance as a new support, and we broke out to the upside, right? Great move right to the target, right to this previous resistance. Then we had a gap to fill, right, up until 438.43. So today, if we can break over this resistance here, 437.22, the high from Tuesday, 2 days ago, then we can break and push through 438.43. We had CPI this morning, so that's out of the way. If we go into the watch list section of the Discord, I posted everything here. Next data is, let's see, crude oil at 11. So we got a decent amount of time before next data. All right. So next data release is at 11 a.m. Eastern time, right? That's Eastern time for anyone who's not in the East. So SPY looks great, right? If we can push through 437.22, it looks fantastic. Okay. QQQ. Amazing setup here, right? Triple top here, quadruple top even, right? 1 rejection, 2, 3, 4, right? We couldn't break through end of day. Double bottom bounce here, right? You can call it a double bottom, you can call it a triple bottom, whatever, right? Support, 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 support. Great setup here. I'm sure it was a previous resistance at some point if we scroll back far enough. Let's go into a higher time frame here. Look at this setup. We don't really have much resistance above, right? We created a great bottom here, and we have a gap to fill above. Look at this risk to reward, right? If we enter on a, let's just say we enter right here. Stop loss is going to be this low. Price target is this gap fill. It's a 1.6 risk to reward, right? That's why I would rather wait until we at least get it to there. Great risk to reward, you know, 2 to 1 pretty much. I'll take that every time. Highly probable, I lost my train of thought. Highly probable win rate, or highly probable chance of this going to the upside, right? We're in an uptrend here. We broke out of this consolidation phase. We have a nice double bottom below, so highly probable. All right, this is a high confidence setup for sure. Right, especially with SPY pushing up. SPY looks great, has a gap to fill to the upside, looks solid. VIX pushing down, everything's lining up here. Tesla is flagging here. All right, we had this consolidation, we broke out right into resistance, and we created a double top, and now we're flagging. All right, if we can hold this low here around 261, I like this for a potential move to the upside. Right, this is the entry point right here, 264.13. If that can break, we should see a push to the upside. Set your alert, 264.13. 21 years in New York. That's brutal. Need to step up trading to save for a good school? Yeah, that's... You gotta trade. You can't trade emotionally. Can't trade emotionally. Not trade emotionally. Okay. I think I'm going to change my my username on Twitter has those things around it. I think I'm going to just make it the basic one. Poses a lot of issues when I'm trying to transfer these social media templates. What do you guys think? All right, so Tesla looks pretty good. Amazon, what an amazing move yesterday, right? What an amazing move. Higher lows, lower highs, resistance at the same point here, rejected numerous times. Patience definitely held. I mean, totally held. And then we broke out, right? We almost got stopped out here. Right, it broke down, almost got stopped out right there, and then shot right back up, consolidated underneath, broke out, consolidated underneath this resistance, and then we saw that break out the rest of the day. All right, I still have a runner here, so we'll see if this can break 132.24. We have a gap to fill. All right, we could definitely see a continued move to the upside here. Yeah, I agree, Tracy. Appreciate it, Bino. Amazon looks great though. Looks great. Shop, I almost took Shop yesterday. Good thing I didn't, because that would have been like a third or fourth loss in a row. Multiple rejections across the board here. We have a triple top at this level there. Let's clean up this chart a bit. This thing needs to be cleaned. Remove this. Have my alert set here. I don't even know why I have this line here. That's why. Right, this previous resistance here. All right. So if we can break 54.67, right, this could set us up for a next move to 55.99. Let me change the color of this so we could tell the difference between these. Yeah, 55.59. Then it looks great. Then I'll look for a potential swing into either tomorrow. Yeah, today's Thursday already, guys. This week's flying by. I'll look for a move into this gap to 56.84. Apple, one of my top setups today, moving this to the top. Up 0.03%, so pretty much flat. We are opening above this resistance. Over 180.3, we have a perfect gap to fill, right? Apple's been, working its way back to the upside from 167 to 180 here. We broke through, we pulled back, we retested this resistance as a new support, and now we're seeing that continued upside move. Looks great. Right. Also, above 181.47, we really don't have much resistance until up here around 187. Right, this previous resistance here. Previous resistance, support. Apple is definitely one of my top setups. So that's that. BABA also looks pretty good. If it can hold these lows, looks good. If it can get back over this previous resistance at 88.88, it looks fantastic. So I have my alert set below. Clean this chart up a bit. But if it breaks, we have this resistance here, right? Starting to break this downtrend, finally moving to the upside. And we also have a gap to fill up here. Okay. Was there an echo that whole time? I had my volume on. Hopefully not. So BAB looks pretty good too. We'll have to keep an eye on this. Got all my alerts set on there. Okay, good. Let's see. Meta just been an absolute beast since it's broken this consolidation phase, right? The bigger the consolidation, the bigger the move. Right? Always, always, always. Everyone drop a like in the video. I'd appreciate it. Drop a like, drop a like, drop a like. Coin, nah, looks beat. AMD, too extended right now. Needs more time. The video, no, needs more time. No. I'm waiting for a setup. All right, PayPal. PayPal's been in this wedge for a long time now. A long time. Sweet. So higher lows, lower highs, right? Big consolidation here. If this can break through 58.89, right? We could break this double top. Potentially we have a gap here to fill to the upside. Right there. So gap to be filled up above. Rivian, I just scrolled past. Doesn't really look that good. Right, there's nothing going on here. No wedge, no consolidation, no anything. But PayPal looks pretty good. Microsoft, nothing really either. Square needs to pick back up. I mean, this is absolutely getting killed recently. Disney, I don't really like playing Disney anyway. So we'll stick to those. We have enough setups on the watch list to look at today. Right, SPY over 437. I'll change this to green so we can realize 437.22. QQQ we could take right at open, honestly, if it holds. Apple looks fantastic, right? All tech looks good here. Apple, Amazon looks good. Looks like it wants more. Shop looks pretty good. Looks like it wants more. Meta super strong. AMD and Coin, I mean, they look pretty good. Just there's no setup really that's worth taking any trades there. But again, it just helps the thesis on QQQ here, right? And QQQ looks pretty good. So that's that, right? QQQ looks fantastic here. You could take tomorrow's expiration if you don't want to, trade 0 DTE. There's a bunch of options you could do. In the money, whatever you guys want. All right, we got data at 11. So be aware of that. It's going to get choppy before then. And then once data comes out, we'll see a quick move and then typically chop. And then again at 2-3 o'clock, things start to pick up. What questions you guys got? I see target you want to check out. Let's take a look. So only thing is, right, it broke this downtrend here that it was building, right? Nice breakout right into resistance. Now it's sitting right there again. That's really all you can look at, right? It's been on a huge downtrend, so you know, any pop, look for a rejection. Just continue to play that trend. So I'll give you guys 4 minutes. Ask whatever questions you want, and I'll give you an answer. Drop a like and ask a question. We're picking up the views here finally, though. How's everyone liking the streams? Hopefully everyone's finding something useful here. I'm trying to help every single one of you, right? I'm trying to help every single one of you make some money. So that's the goal, right? Come here every day, drop a like in the video, learn something new, and let's make some money. All right, that's really the goal. Did I do Tesla yet? Yes, we could do it again. So, right, we broke out of this huge flag, higher lows, lower highs, right? Great breakout right into resistance, right? Rejected once, twice, 3 times was a previous support, acted as a double top here. Now we're flagging. If it can hold 260.26 or 261, either level works. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a fake breakdown to the downside and then a reversal and a breakout, especially if Qs and SPY starts to push to the upside here. Looks pretty good though. If it can break 264.13, it looks solid. All right. Learn more every day. Check SPX monthly and see if you can see the flag. So SPY and SPX is going to be the same thing. I'm assuming you're talking about this huge flag here. Yeah. I haven't looked at the monthly in forever. But yeah, this is, so here's a monthly. So we've been consolidating for a decent amount of time. You know, if this could break, obviously it's going to take some time, but 459. I gotta change this music. This is killing my ears. All right, there we go. You know, there you go. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. We got a long ways to go for that to break, though. Long ways. But looks decent, for sure. We'll to be doing a promo for Black Friday. We got a ways to go for that. We got a ways to go. So we'll see when the time comes. VIX. Yes, thank you, Tracy. So let's take a look at the higher time frame first. VIX is getting close to this support here, right? We're sitting right at it, 15.83. We want this to break low of yesterday. I'll set an alert there, 15.62. I'll set an alert back above here, just anywhere works. You know, right there, I guess. So we want it to continue to push down, and we want it to go to 1268 around there for SPY to fill that gap above, or QQQ to fill that gap above. Right, look at this chart here on the daily. I mean, fantastic chart. You know what's funny also is most people would say this is a bearish candle. Right, kind of like a gravestone, similar to that, but it's green. But most people would say this is a bearish candle, and then now we have a bullish candle technically. So it's just funny. All right. right, so I'm going to go set up the Zoom. Appreciate everyone stopping by as always. Drop a like on the video before you head out of here. What are we at here? We are at 34. Let's get that to 60. We're at 60 U. We could do 60. Helps me get on the page. All right. So I'm going to go work on setting up the Zoom, and let's have a good day.